Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse for Java on Windows. Go to eclipse.org/download website. You're gonna find the latest version of Eclipse. Then click in this link. Then click download. Eclipse is gonna be downloaded, and this is the file that you're gonna download. The download is completed. I'm gonna show you where is this file in my machine. This is the file that you should download in your machine. Then click on this file. Choose this option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This is where Eclipse is going to be installed in your machine. And this is the Java ARE. Select the latest one, 19, and click install. Accept. This will take some time, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up the video. Now the installation is completed and you can launch the Eclipse. Click launch. Eclipse is going to start it. Keep the default workspace and click launch. I'm going to maximize this one. I'm going to close this welcome message. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a simple project and run this project so that I make sure that Eclipse is installed correctly in my machine. Go to File, New, Java Project, give it any name, and just deselect this one, and click Finish. And you can come here and open your project. Okay, and right click here and create package, give it any name. I'm gonna call it com.mycompany. Click Finish, and in this package I'm gonna create class, simple class, give it any name. I'm gonna call it main, and select this one so that the main method is gonna be written for you. Click Finish. I'm gonna make this one bigger. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just print hello Java. And we're gonna run this one, and hopefully it works as expected and print hello Java. Just run this one. Click OK. And the output is as expected, hello Java. And this is proof that Eclipse is correctly installed in my machine. Don't worry about what this code is doing. This is very simple code, but I will explain this one in another video. Thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like for this video.